Aloha, everybody. That's Samoan for aloha. You want to try it with me?
Yeah.
Aloha. Okay, very nice. Your first try at that. I would like to formally welcome you to First Congregational Church and our afternoon of music by the First Samoan Congregational Church of Phoenix. We're delighted for this opportunity to get the Samoan Church, to help the Samoan Church get their feet on the ground firmly. We've got a wonderful afternoon planned for you. We're going to have a reception in Pilgrim Hall. Afterward, we'll have some Samoan snack items. We have raffle items available at the door. You can purchase your raffle tickets into the first few minutes of the reception. Before we go any further, a lot of people have been working very hard on this concert, some since May and some within the last couple of days. And I would like to recognize the members of the committee. Would you please stand? I'm not going to recite your names because there are people helping today that I may not be aware of. So please stand if you were on the committee. Okay, well, I want to thank you all for being here. And I would like to read a letter to you that came from the mayor's office. It says here, "Greetings. I extend my best wishes for the success of the October 28th concert of the First Samoan Congregational Church of Phoenix. Phoenix is truly a diverse community. It is one of our greatest strengths. By embracing all communities and walks of life, we are a city that is more than the sum of its parts. A great example of Phoenix's amazing diversity is the Samoan Congregational Church of Phoenix. First Samoan helps recent arrivals feel welcomed and part of our greater community. This work is important to preserving Samoan culture in Phoenix and enriching our city as a whole. First Congregational United Church of Christ Phoenix has given the famous Phoenix Welcome to First Samoan. Enjoy today's concert and know I would join you if my schedule permitted." And that's signed by Greg Stanton, Mayor of the City of Phoenix.